Want something a little fancy to snack on with a glass of wine this weekend? Maybe for date night or just a cozy night in? I'm making this easy, charcuterie-inspired potato chip snack board. It takes about 5 minutes to put together, and I picked up everything from Trader Joe's for under $25, including a bottle of wine. Let's make it. First, grab your bag of potato chips. We're actually going to use the bag as our serving platter. Open it up and spread the chips out. Next, open up your prosciutto, or whichever cured meat you prefer. Gently tear or fold the slices and place them right over the chips. You don't have to make this perfect. Now I'm adding some fresh arugula on top. I love this because it brings in a fresh peppery bite that balances out the salty chips and prosciutto. Drizzle hot honey all over the top, and honestly, this is the part that takes the snack from good to wait. Why is this so good? Let's add the cheese. I'm using Syrah-Infused Toscano Cheese, which has this rich, slightly wine-like flavor. Grate a generous amount right over the top. To finish it off, add a little fresh lemon zest. And that's it. Look at how gorgeous this is. Crispy, salty, creamy, sweet, a little spicy, and fresh from the lemon zest. Try it for yourself or make it with someone special this weekend. And make sure to check out my other easy recipes. See you next time.